Extinction, the dying out or termination of a race or species. Extinction occurs when a species can no longer reproduce at replacement levels. Most extinctions are thought to have resulted from environmental changes that affected the species in either of two ways. The doomed species might not have been able to adapt to the changed environment, and thus perished without descendants. Or it may have adapted, but in the process may have evolved into a distinctly new species.
What caused the death of the mighty lion? I don't hear a roar. What's the reason for? What caused the death of the mighty lion? Once he hits the floor, there will be no more. What caused the death of the mighty lion? I don't hear a roar. What's the reason for? What caused the death of the mighty lion? What caused the death? The lion's dying, he's trying, he's grasping for air. It's no longer there, and it seems like nobody will care. He fumbles, he stumbles, he's tripping, he's up and he's down. It's a miracle if he doesn't return to the ground. I think he's hit a bump. From my view, he is possibly stuck. They won't help him up, so it seems like he's lost the trust. The harvest will come, by then he'll return to the dust. I'm pleased with his death, that just spells misfortune for us. The one hope for the world is now dead and it's gone. We made a few clones, but none with a roar that'll frighten your phone. He's wearing a muzzle, he's no longer king of the jungle. The cowards have killed him, they taking away his roar and his rumble. There's a few that will cry for the fear extinction will rise apart from the pride. They just wanna lay down and die. We cheer for his death. If the world wasn't dark enough, we got what we want. I guess it's just a caution to us. What caused the death of the mighty lion? I don't hear a roar. What's the reason for? What caused the death of the mighty lion? Once he hits the floor, there will be no more. What caused the death of the mighty lion? I don't hear a roar. What's the reason for? What caused the death of the mighty lion? What caused the extinction of fleeing, receiving, attainment procedure. Rapid decreasing, disguise and pretend to be zebras. What you believe in, or tell me your reason for breathing. Bowing to Caesar, or is your allegiance to Jesus? Where's my fighters who are ready to oppose the liars? Not afraid to shun evil and passion for people. They put us in cages in hopes that it scares us and changes. We cause them danger, they have to respond back with anger. The shooting of Luther, the shooting of Kennedy. If your roar's too loud, there's a remedy for your enemies. There's a problem we tend to be afraid to be brave. I'd rather head to the grave than live my life as a slave. I know it's easy to say, but it's the words that I pray. If I'm crazy for something, I gotta be all in or nothing. There's a rumor that's buzzing, you can hear the heart thumping. I guess there's more lions and the revolution's coming. What caused the death of the mighty lion? I don't hear a roar. What's the reason for? What caused the death of the mighty lion? Once he hits the floor, there will be no more. What caused the death of the mighty lion? I don't hear a roar. What's the reason for? What caused the death of the mighty lion? What caused the death? You see him, sweetie? He used to be a feared and respected creature.
Hello, mighty lion.
He's dead, baby.
Daddy, he's not dead. He's just tired.
Let's hope so.
He roared